Village of Romeoville.
Indeed. Metra 217. It's kind of.
Alright, I'm going live now, guys.
This isn't live. This is just, I'm recording at random.
Alright, I'm recording face live now.
We are walking into Metra 217.
Right, press everything. If in doubt, press everything.
Metra 217 and Amtrak F40.
This is Dead Man's 17.
Ah,
That's called a dead man's pedal.
press it.
Here's Metra 217.
Yeah. About one electronics. Just get a horn.
That was the shave and a haircut.
There's the bell down there.
Yep. All the controls of Metra 217.
That's shaving a haircut, right?
And now we're gonna get it. And there's Andrew in Metra 217, along with the Elric. Yep.
Hi. I'm on camera.
Oh, I should have done that. And there's the Metra switcher with the transfer caboose in front of us. Alright, so this is the... Yep, this is the motor of the F40PH 217.
Warm in here.
A little bit. But it's okay. So this is the prime mover of an F40PH-3.
Yes, dash 3.
Yep. Because it's rebuilt after purchase from Amtrak.
This is the engine. Alright, here's all the
All the equipment of the 217 Village of Romeoville. They recently christened it as Village of Romeoville.
works pretty standard probably.
Kind of. And very nice. Alright.
Alright.
A little.
We just went through the
A little cramped, but
217. Now we're going to the F59. We're going to go into F59.
now to the F59, 98, as said for the third time.
I don't care.
This is F59PH 98. Not to be confused with the F59PHI, but that is a completely different design. And we don't discuss that here.
Opening.
Yep. Ooh, 480 volts. That is bad. Oh, there's the other side of the tracks. They opened up the door so you can see the motor.
My camera's getting moist.
Elric.
Sorry, but it is.
It's just hilarious. No, it's the way you said it's hilarious. So I guess that's part of our bloopers.
There's the outside.
Yep.
It is getting
There's the boys, Casey and Miles.
They were just looking at our two friends out there. We're now heading up into the cab.
We have the approach of the. It's been here for a while. What was that?
Please.
Metra F59 PH 98.
This.
All right, Aaron.
Engine I could get behind. This is an
Alright, this is the F59 idle set.
Well, we have to go to the Irish corridor. We gotta
Wait.
catch them. Here's Aaron.
If I'm right.
Aaron, let me get your picture of you in
done.
the seats. Let me get a nice picture of you.
Oh yeah, like that's
All right.
Yeah, except
Alright, we are now going to head out of the F59.
Track on.
Thank you, my friend. Excellent. And here's the front view showing the coaches that we have, and that's what we're going to see now.